There, this feels next week's extremely courageous warm temperature, 23 Celsius, weather forecast UK, 24. Like video, press the thumbs up on the left side screen right now. It is the 4th of April, Thursday evening, guys, 24 today. So this is my local weather, of course, working time locally today, looking at right now. This is the rainfall colour I record in the morning, every day. That is temperature I record in the morning, mainly. You can see here, well, the temperature's been warmer than last year's March of 23, and the rainfall has been actually 14 to 13 minutes of rain less. This is interesting. So quite a downturn, if you name it, on the temperature this year to last year, but a high and a downturn as well on the rainfall from last year as well. Fascinating. There you go, guys. 23, you name it, 3 compared to 24 March. It's fascinating, isn't it? Local level waves. I was waiting time locally. This is the rainfall for last, you name it. You can see there. 24, 25 years, you can see that it's been another wet month. 2 months like that, over 100, is most unusual, curiously strange, very courageous, dangerous weather, guys, to have across the UK. But you name it, I take you to extreme weather, guys. I take you to places you can't go to in the weather conditions. Get very interesting. You don't storm clouds like tornado clouds, which are tornado clouds. This is the upper globe temperature, which is the days to interest today off the west coast of South America, east and central and western region, Pacific region, north Pacific Ocean, upper globe temperature, the North Atlantic upper globe temperature, the west coast of Africa upper globe temperature, and the Gulf of Mexico upper globe temperature, guys. So it's all about some very interesting activity going on at the moment. It's about some cooler upper globe temperature starting to come off the west coast of Africa, which is interesting. Might make a difference in the hurricane season this year. It might reduce the threat of it across the Caribbean islands. It's all to play for. And you're talking about it cooling down in East Pacific region right now across the Pacific Ocean, which is interesting. So it looks like it might be a less powerful hurricane season than I thought it'd be, but it's always changing the features forecast with the temperature, go to temperature. That's that we got today. And this is the, you name it, guys, the American 12 GFS more prediction for the future, guys. It's going from the 8th of April. It's just a storm Kathleen coming this weekend. It's almost a very wet weather for the 10th of April across the UK for southeastern regions. It's very wet and quite cool. Temperature will drop. And then talk about some very warm weather for a while with high pressure over. Then it gets wetter again by the time you get to 14th to 15th April. Wet weather coming from the west. It's quite cool air from the north, hanging on the jet streams. Then it gets warm south of the jet stream. High pressure builds in. Hot air starts coming in. Up air temperature minus 10 temperatures coming in from southeastern regions. It's very wild and high level. Here we go. Talking about Storm Kathleen coming in for the weekend. That Storm Kathleen, at least, the pressure not having 80 bars there. Quite dangerous storm, guys, across the UK. This is tense, man. This is the up air temperature of minus 10. Well, plus 10 temperatures across the south and regions. Cold air battle from the north and all the way to the south. It's all played for, guys. And this is the up air temperature. You can see what's going on, guys. This is tense now. Talking about the up air temperature, the red line being the 30 average line, the white line is going down below it as you get to the 11th of April. And it goes above it into the future. Temperature April 9th to 10th. So a lot of rainfall spikes coming for the next few days, and more especially on the 9th to the 10th of April, more in the future. The uncertainty we see when we go to the future forecast that far ahead. This is Woking Town weather forecast. We'll look at the present time right now. You can see there, guys, wet weather tonight, very unsettled. You can see that's going on there. I will say on Saturday and Sunday, Storm Kathleen across the UK, 40 miles per hour potential was Woking Town locally. You can see what's going on in the future. It might be 21 Celsius, 22 next week, or 23 Celsius across the UK, in my opinion, for South East regions. I'm not joking, man. This is tense, man. You can see what's going on in the weather. And this is the weather warning. I'm not joking. Across the UK, you can see here, guys, that's yellow warning for this part of the UK around south of Wales. With Storm Kathleen coming this weekend. It is in play coming in. It's going to be quite strong winds. The wind strength. That's a tense, man. This is Bude. It's also very strong winds as well. It's coming Friday into Saturday. Look, they're 45 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour. This is tense, man. This is the wind strength. You can see there, guys, across the RSC and around here to about 50 miles per hour southeast regions. It'll be less than that. Well, the icon's going for less than that. Looking at 34 miles per hour southeast regions. It could be more accurate. And about very strong winds at 80 or 70 miles per hour across the Republic of Ireland and across the RSC, 60 miles per hour, so more. All playful, guys. The forecast future. Please Sky Channel Sign Jones. I'm always 85% right about Storm. You name it, Kathleen. I'm truly a supreme hyper speed walker to London. I do 45 miles walking to London City from Goldsworth Park along the, you name it, Bayside Canal to the Guildford Canal, onwards to on the Riverway up to the River Thames, all the way there, guys. I'm truly a gladiator. No one can speed up the speed. I go out on the hyperdrive, spooper, hero, Superman. Flash as fast as flash. Get these Sky Channel Sign Jones. Believe my weather forecast. Look out for the weather forecast. Storm Kathleen.